Hey everyone! If you're dipping your toes into the world of professional photography or transitioning from smartphone snaps, you might be eyeing the Canon EOS 1500D. So, is this the camera to elevate your photography game? Let's dive in! First up, design and build. The Canon 1500D features a classic ergonomic DSLR design that's lightweight yet feels sturdy in your hands. The grip is well contoured, making it comfy for long shooting sessions. And those buttons? All within easy reach, which is great for quick adjustments. The 3-inch LCD screen offers a crisp view for both framing your shots and navigating the menu. Now let's talk about what's under the hood. The 1MP APS-C CMOS sensor paired with the Digic 4 Plus image processor. This combo delivers stunning image quality with vibrant colors and intricate details, performing admirably across various lighting conditions. Whether it's bright daylight or a dim indoor scene, this camera handles it with minimal noise, even at higher ISO settings. The bundled EF S18-55 IS II Lens is a solid all-rounder, suitable for everything from portraits to landscapes. It includes image stabilization, which really helps in reducing camera shake when you're shooting handheld. The autofocus system, with its 9 points, isn't the top of the line, but does the job for everyday photography. Now, for the tech-savvy among us, the built-in Wi-Fi and NFC are total game changers, making it super easy to share your photos and videos directly to social media or transfer them to your devices for quick edits. And with the Canon Camera Connect app, you can even control your camera remotely. How cool is that? While the 1500D shoots full HD 1080p videos at 30 fps, it lacks 4K capability and an external microphone jack, which might be a deal breaker for serious videographers. Battery-wise, you're looking at around 500 shots per charge, which is pretty decent. But if you're planning a day-long shoot or a trip, packing an extra battery might be a good idea. The beginner-friendly features like the guided mode and on-screen explanations help newcomers grasp the basics of photography quickly, making the user experience quite pleasant. Summing up, the Canon EOS 1500D packs a punch with high-resolution images, easy connectivity, and user-friendly features, all at an affordable price. However, it does fall short with its basic autofocus and lack of 4K video. So if you're looking for a reliable entry-level DSLR, this camera is definitely worth considering. For more details, check out the direct link to this product on Amazon in the description below. And don't forget to visit my blog for additional insights on this camera. Thanks for watching and happy shooting!